everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log in to BJ's MasterCard online with a few simple steps. If you want to log in and access your BJ's MasterCard online easily, then here's how you can do it. Open up your preferred web browser on your computer or your mobile device. In the search box, type in bjs.capitalone.com and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. If you don't have a Capital One online account, you'll first need to set up an account by clicking the Setup button on the right corner. For existing users, if you already have a Capital One online account, click the Sign In button on the left, and then you'll be taken to the login page. Here, enter your username for your Capital One bank account first, and then on the next field, type in your correct password. If you don't remember your username or password, get help by clicking the Forgot Username or Password link. After filling in your details, click the Sign In button, and you'll be able to access BJ's MasterCard online right away. After logging in, you can easily view your statements, make payments, manage your rewards, and perform other account-related activities. That was how you can easily log in and access BJ's MasterCard online. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming videos from us. I'll be back with more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.